one, I can see you had this analysis. So either the market has not come yet into it, but for us to know exactly what is happening in the market, we have to go into higher time frames. So let's say we go into the 2 hour or the 4 hour to see where was the market, where did the market sweep liquidity, and where is it going. So from what I see here, I marked this ones here because I saw at the bottom where the market was coming and it was going up. There was this sweep, right, and then this structurally this protected low, and then it created a structural liquidity, stuff like that, and came and tapped into it. Now it's going up and the target will be here, and it's already hit that TP on the 4 hour. But if you want to continue buying, what you could do is you can find a recent low from maybe like here. See, this was the recent low that pushed the market, and you can take a Fibonacci and move it up here. Okay, the Fibonacci is here, so we know when we are on a premium area, normally we look for sales. That is counter trending because now the market is an uptrend, right? So either you have to wait for the market to come below 50%. So now your analysis is around above 50%. So I would be a little bit careful because the market could reach here, the market could reach here, like come down as it's coming now, reach here, and then continue upwards. It's possible, but because it's at 50%, it can do this also here, go down a little bit to discount area, somewhere around here. Maybe there's another setup, and then after it continue going up. You see, because on the discount area we want to look for buys, and on a premium, anytime the market breaks structure and it's at a premium of the Fibonacci, you want to look for sales. Or if you don't want to counter trade, you just let it go back into a discount. But sometimes it never goes back into a discount. So in this case, what do? In this case, you go in the lower time frame as you were on the 15 or lower, and then you observe, you wait for the market to now the market's on a downtrend on the lower time frame. So if you want to buy, you have to wait for this market to be coming down, and then from a downtrend it have to change to an uptrend. And when it changes to an uptrend, it's going to give you a buy setup the same way you saw this one here. It should give you a buy setup, so we should confirm your buyers to continue buying. But as long as it's giving you a sell, it's broken, it has broken this low, it's now retracing, so it's selling. So you either have to observe and see what happens when it comes into this POI. Will it work, or it needs to come into a discount area? When it comes to the discount area, you have to either see, maybe if you see the setup on a higher time frame, any setup here, or you wait for the market in this area to start creating an uptrend, and while it's creating that uptrend, it will form, it will start with a sweep at the bottom side, right? So it will start like this. It will be going down, and oops, it will change. It will break change structure. It will break, it will create structural liquidity, right? And then it will go. So now you see that the market is changing. You wait for it to come and take the structural liquidity, and then now you continue the uptrend, right? So basically we want to be mindful of where the market is currently. So now from what we see, we are on a premium, so we have to be careful. And also sometimes when the market never comes to your setup, you have to follow the market, because sometimes the market creates new setups. You had this setup here, but along the way the market created another setup on the way, so maybe it will respect that setup. So for example, maybe here it had a setup and it may respect that one. So overall, try to look for newest setups along the way. As the market is going, it creates new setup. So like now, if you wait for it to come down to discount, after that it will start creating setups, buy setups. If it doesn't come back to your setup, check if above it there was a new setup. Sometimes it can respect the newer setup and continue. Sometimes it may come to your setup. So I think that's what you can observe for V25. So let me know if that helps. Thank you.